Welcome to the first ever ReZ U quantum pearl hunt. You're about to watch 4 videos, each one hiding its own set of quantum pearls, our golden eggs scattered across the fabric of reality. These videos have been arranged in a precise order, so you can experience the universe unfolding step by step. From particles, to fields, to collapse, to the lattice itself. This journey is designed to open your mind to the foundations of existence. And guiding you through it all is the Librarian of ReZ U, Zenetrius. He will lead you through the hunt and the mission. Enjoy the ride, glitches.
Everything you see, touch, and feel is built from just 12 fundamental particles. Not hundreds, not thousands. 12. 6 quarks, 3 charged leptons, 3 neutrinos. It's just entropy, time, and combinations. That's the entire recipe for matter in the observable universe. This is where the story begins, where you begin. But the story doesn't stop there. There are 5 quantum pearls to find. First, find the rocket, then a horse, a wine glass, an elf, and the Taj Mahal. Good luck, glitches.
In the heart of every heartbeat, in the spark behind the flame, there are tiny little dancers riding out the cosmic frame.
Up and down in every atom, keeping everything aligned. They're the quiet little heroes holding matter in design. Charming, strange in the shadows, top and bottom in the light. Everyone a fleeting heartbeat in the story of the night. These are the 12 that make us matter, the rhythm in the cosmic drum. Quarks and leptons singing patterns where the universe comes from. From the spark inside the atom to the galaxies that shatter, with a song of all creation. With a song of all creation. Made of 12 to make us matter. Electrons spin like rebels, painting curl into life, while neutrinos slip like whispers through the chaos and the strife.
Muons fall like shooting comets, stars burn bright and disappear, but they're part of every moment that becomes a life down here.
Ghosts that pass right through our bodies, feels that hold the world in place. Every particle a heartbeat
In the fabric of our space. These are the 12 that make us matter. Yeah, the rhythm in the cosmic drum. Quarks and leptons singing patterns where the universe comes from. From the spark inside the atom
to the galaxies that shatter.
with a song of all creation.
Oh, the song of all creation.
Made of 12 that make us matter.
Up and down, the world begins. Charming, strange, the hidden twins. Top and bottom, heavy kings. Writing out the laws of things. Electrons draw the lines of light. Neutrinos drift beyond our sight. 12 names in the ledger bright, holding up the day and night. These are the 12 that make us matter. Hey, the pulse beneath the cosmic roar. Quarks and leptons in the thunder, shaping all we're reaching for. From the oceans to the starlight, from the heartbeat to the scatter, we're the universe in motion. The universe in motion.
They the 12 that make us matter.
Tiny sparks and endless patterns, writing stories in the dark. We are matter made of music, every particle a spark.
So now you know the 12 dancers. But what gives them their mass? Why do some particles weigh something and others weigh nothing at all? In 2012, scientists confirmed the Higgs Field, an invisible field that fills all of space. Particles that interact with it gain mass. Without it, atoms couldn't form, stars couldn't ignite, you couldn't exist. If mass comes from the Higgs, what comes next? There are 8 quantum pearls to find. First a bottle of Coke, then a butterfly, an elephant, a bottle of scotch, a motorcycle, a stop sign, a traffic light, and finally a snowman with wings.
Good luck, glitches!
In the hush between the atoms, are there tiny fires in a swarm, where the quiet rivers flow in patterns? Everything is mostly empty, and still it keeps us warm.
Is there such a thing as nothing? Or a song we cannot see? Is the fabric made of whisper, or the pulse of what will be?
We are frequency and form, we are dust and we are light. Sound with soul trembling at a shoreline on galaxy in flight.
From quark to lepton, bosun's hand, the pen that writes the frame.
We are the music of the void, and the void creates our name. Up and down, charm and strange, a romance of the small. Leptons drift like lonely saints, or freedom's quiet call. Are we charged, or are we ghost? Are we bound, or are we free? Gravity will hold the chorus, but the heart still wants to be. Higgs writes the sentence, fermions keep the rhyme. Pauli draws the borders so the notes can stand in time. We are frequency, we are form, we are dust and we are light. Sound with soul trembling at a shoreline on a galaxy in flight. 12 names in the ledger, 12 ways to be alive. Everything is combinations, interactions, resonances. drifting through the cosmos on a planet so divine.
The 12 build matter. The Higgs gives them weight. But what happens when gravity pulls so much matter together that not even light can escape? Stephen Hawking predicted black holes aren't silent, they leak, slowly radiating energy back into the universe. Black holes don't just devour, they give something back. Maybe the universe itself began that way. And that brings us to the next question. There are 7 quantum pearls to find. First, find the Cybertruck. Then Einstein, not the big obvious one, a train. Then a witch on a broom, a bird, a ghost. Barney the purple dinosaur. And another elephant. Hint, Barney sees a ghost. Namaste glitches.
We peer into the universe, squinting at the glow. Only see the photons, lucky enough to go. Everything else got stretched like cosmic dough. Guess the cosmos is a pizza, and the chef said let it grow. Maybe with a backwash of a black hole snack, spit out across time like yeah, you can have that. Fit all the matter for a divine comeback, while space keeps expanding like it's laden off track. And the scientists say maybe gravity's weird, modified equation, space-time engineered. Dark energy, maybe it disappeared, or maybe it shot, or maybe it just got tired this year. Cause space is running wild, making room for more, stretching out the fabric like it's opening the door. Lights chasing after it, falling on its face, trying to catch the universe at its breakneck pace. We're riding on the edge of a cosmic mistake, laughing at the rules that the textbooks make. If time is just a rhythm that the stars all play, then baby let's expand in our own damn way. Existence keep expanding like a snowball on a hill, picking up the mass, picking up the wheel. How are we gonna reach the stars if they're sprinting still? They're running from the finish line and somehow uphill. Light travels through the cosmos like a runner in a race, but the track keeps stretching at a faster pace. Infinite gets deeper as the photons chase, like the universe is saying try and keep up pace. And desire says the speed might be slowing down, like the cosmos hit a pothole on the edge of town. If expansion takes a breather, will the stars fall down, or will gravity remix it with a brand new sound? Space is running wild, making room for more, stretching out the fabric like it's opening a door. Lights chasing after it, falling on its face, trying to catch the universe at its breakneck pace. We're riding on the edge of a cosmic mistake, laughing at the rules that the textbooks make. If time is just a rhythm that the stars all play, then baby let's expand in our own damn way. Maybe space-time's curving, maybe it's flat, maybe it's a cosmic yoga mat. Stretch it too far and it might snap back, or fold itself up like it's at a laundromat. Maybe gravity's different when you zoom way out. Maybe Einstein's whispering, hey, don't shout. Maybe dark energy ghosted us, no doubt. Left the universe on red, took another route. Space is running wild, making room for more, stretching out the fabric like it's opening a door. Light chasing after it, falling on its face, trying to catch the universe at its breakneck pace. We're riding on the edge of a cosmic like pizza doughs rising. We're just the bubbles drifting through the skies. If the universe slows, becoming ancient and wise, we'll still dance in the dark till the next sunrise.
Particles, mass, black holes, expansion faster than light. How does any of it hold together? Space is not empty. It's a field, a lattice of energy that permeates everything, gives particles their properties, holds the structure of reality in place. You are not floating in nothing. You are held by the field that lets the universe grow! There are 9 quantum pearls to find. First golf club, then a sitar, a flute, a balloon, a biplane, a tiger, a pie, a baseball, and finally, a bucket. Just be careful not to kick it. Good hunting, gooses!
Two fish in a tank never notice the water. We're the same swimming through a medium we can't name. A mist of existence, a woven field, the quiet soil where the cosmos grows.
A blanket wrapped around us, a screen we're written on, a lattice made of something that's been hiding all along. Oh, a field beneath the starlight, a grid behind the glow, where dust and gas find fertile ground, together bloom and grow and grow. Let even it bends, we rest, and it holds like water pressed by bodies or a story.
It's a mist of pure existence, a weave of ancient threads, a sheet of silent pressure where the weight of matter spreads. When planets push against it, the lattice pulls them near, like ripples in a farmer's pond that whisper, I am here.
It shifts, we fall, and it stays. The unseen field that shapes our steps and holds the Milky Way. Hidden kind of garden
1% we never see. Not empty space, but the medium of reality.
A field of light and pressure, a cradle in the dark. The lattice holds the universe, the way the earth holds life in its heart. Time on spin, but so. Oh, the cosmic lattice, the field that lets us be. Oh, hidden kind of garden under every galaxy. Oh, the quiet fabric, the soil of every star, where seedlings in its mystery growing where the patterns are. Growing where the patterns are.
We're not floating in nothing. We're held by the field that lets the cosmos grow. Thank you for watching Glitches. Did you find all 29 quantum pearls? Thank you for learning, searching, and exploring with us. Every view, every comment, every moment you spend here helps this universe grow a little brighter. ReZ U isn't just a channel. It's a community of curious minds trying to understand the fabric of reality, one signal at a time. Stay kind. Stay curious. And remember, the lattice is listening.